Hello everyone and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. Today we will learn how to install Oracle database in Windows machine. All we have to do is search for Oracle database for Windows Community Edition or Express Edition in Google. You will find a few links here. Let's go to the Oracle database Express Edition downloads. And then we can see here the Oracle database 21C Express Edition both for Windows and Linux. We will click on the Windows x64 and it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I will stop this and go to downloads folder and just I will move it to tools folder. Let me go to the tools folder and unzip this one. Okay, it got unzipped. I will go inside this one, and as you can see here, there is a file called setup, which is a application. I will just click on it. Click on yes, then it is preparing to install. So this is a welcome page, and then we have to accept the license agreement. Please go through the license agreement once before you install. Now it is asking me to give the path of the installation. So my C drive is full, so I am giving some location in D drive. So I will give D drive and I will create a folder Oracle, or inside the tools itself I will create tools Oracle install installation application. We have to give the password for the system accounts which are sys and system and PDB admin. So I will just give random password. Please give some proper password. And let's install it. Okay, it is asking for a permission. Do you want to allow public and private network? So let us allow this one. All right, the installation got completed. Let us see how to run it. As you know, we have dbeaver. So now let us try to connect to the installed Oracle database through dbeaver. So here we can see the connection plugin. So we can select the Oracle here. And as we saw in the last slide of the installer, the host is localhost and the port is 1521 and the service name or ID is XE. So, and the username and password we have to give whatever we have created during the installation. Now let me test it. As you can see, it is connecting. So that's all. Let me click on finish. Now we have connected to the Oracle database from dbeaver. So this is the way how we install the Oracle database in Windows machine and also connect it from dviewer. If you want, you can use SQL Developer as well. It is also one of the official database client for Oracle. You can use that as well. So we can edit also. So in the upcoming sessions, we will try to edit this and create tables and schemas. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.